In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place walls in Hamina. First, sign into your Hamina account and open the project you're working on. Make sure your floor plan or site image is visible so you can place walls accurately on top of the layout. If you've already run an automatic detection and it missed a section, or you need more control for special features, we'll move into manual wall drawing. Manual wall drawing is ideal when the AI misses a section or when you want to add custom elements like windows or areas with different construction. To begin, look to the toolbar and choose the Walls tool. Once it's active, switch to the Draw tab. This is where you'll place new wall segments directly on the map. Next, pick a material. You'll see common options such as drywall, concrete, and glass. Choose the one that best represents the real-world construction in that area. The material selection matters because it affects how the wall behaves in your design and analysis. For example, concrete is typically thicker and more attenuating than drywall, and glass helps you represent windows or glazed partitions. Now let's draw. Move your cursor to the spot where the wall should begin and left-click to start a segment. Move to the end of that segment and left-click again to finish it. Keep clicking to continue the chain for corners and turns. This click-to-click approach lets you outline long corridors, rooms, and irregular shapes with precision. If you need to stop at any point, right-click and the drawing session ends. If a click lands in the wrong place, just right-click to stop and start a new segment from the correct location. While you're drawing, you can navigate the map without breaking the chain. Hold the spacebar to pan the view, then release space to keep drawing. This is especially helpful on large floors where you need to follow longer runs without zooming in and out or losing your active wall placement. As you place segments, match the wall to the edges visible in your plan so corners meet cleanly and materials transition exactly where they should. Use glass segments anywhere you need to represent windows or transparent partitions in the same wall line. If two walls overlap slightly, prioritize the material that better matches the real structure and keep the line continuous for clarity. That's it. Open your project, switch to manual drawing under the Walls tool, pick the correct material, click to place each segment, right-click to stop, and hold space to pan as you go. With these steps, you'll create accurate, clean wall layouts in